Gates open, they're up and racing. Unpredictable draws for your lead. Yellow Guska moving up by the rail. Racing in third, Airway Midnight Myth. He's racing in fourth. Kitty West comes next. Down in six is entry number 4, Boss General. While Yes Papa is running at the tail of the field. Past the 900, Yellow Guska takes the lead over Unpredictable on the outside. Airway is running by the rail third, racing in fourth, Midnight Myth as they rounded the last 600. Yellow Guska, Unpredictable regains the lead on the outside. Airway still racing in third, down in fourth, closing in Midnight Myth. Kitty West down in fifth as they race at the last 450. Unpredictable this time by about 2 lengths. Airway moving up down on the inside. Midnight Myth running in between runners. Yellow Guska by the rail. Kitty West is on the outside with 150 to go. Unpredictable Airway down on the inside, leveling up. Unpredictable Airway is by the rail. Airway doing the better over Unpredictable. Then comes Kitty West, Midnight Myth, Boss General for your